Action pitch, 2-1 with runners at the corners for the Padres. And a high pop foul. Going out as a second baseman, coming in as Pence in right field, tagging is Maybin. There's going to be a play at the plate. Here comes a throw. He is safe. Oh, the speed of Maybin beating the throw. What a effort by Maybin. He needed to be at top acceleration and just did get under the tag. 2-1 San Diego.
Great job by Cameron Maybin. That is a situation where you have to try to score. It's 2 outs. The chance of maybe getting another hit with 2 outs off Halladay might be slim. The throw is high. It's up the first base line. And Maybin just gets his foot in time for the go-ahead run.
Ruiz didn't have him blocked off. Throw on the fly. And by the time Ruiz was able to retrieve and spin to tag Maybin.